We shall go through 30 powerful resolutions that cover every area of your life. They will work to change your behavior, achieve your dreams, and form positive habits. Before we start, please give this video a big thumbs up and consider subscribing if you are new to this channel for getting the latest updates on self-help content. As we approach the new year, for many of us, it is a time for self-reflection and evaluation. Every new year always inspires and motivates us to make a lot of optimistic resolutions. But as time goes on, most of us forget all about them amidst the day-to-day distractions. So the first resolution must be to stick to your resolutions steadfastly. Once you see the decisive reason behind them, you will make achieving them a priority. Financial resolutions. A stable economic life is the most vital foundation you can lay down for a successful, stress-free year ahead. Financial security gives you the stability to pursue your dreams and to sleep better at night. The following resolutions will help you achieve that. Get out of debt. If you are in any sort of debt, resolving the issue needs to be your top resolution for the new year. Follow a budget. A good budget is key to a stable financial life. This year, make the resolution to create a suitable budget and stick to it. Create savings and emergency accounts. Make the resolution to set something aside in a savings account every month. Experts advise us that the ideal amount is 10 to 20% of your monthly income. Have a separate account labeled emergency fund. This will prevent you from dipping into your savings should anything unexpected comes up. Cut out unnecessary expenses. Eliminate unnecessary expenditures that are eating away at your income without you even realizing it. You will be amazed at how much money you can save with a few simple and painless cutbacks. Find a way to earn extra side income. There are dozens of ways to make extra income. Just choose something that you think you can do well and earn during your spare time. Financial stability equals a less stressful life. Assess where you are financially this year and what you need to become more economically stable. Health resolutions. When it comes to being healthy, many of us commonly make vague resolutions such as losing weight or eating a more nutritious diet. Here are some solutions that are more specific and impactful. Keep your immunity healthy. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought home the importance of having a strong and healthy immune system. All it takes is some lifestyle changes that include consuming immunity-boosting foods daily, getting enough sleep, exercising, de-stressing, and practicing good hygiene. Quit smoking. We all know that smokers who contract COVID-19 have a much higher chance of developing serious complications. Keep that thought in mind each time you're about to reach for a cigarette. Lose belly fat. In addition to being unattractive, belly fat can actually pose a serious health risk. This is the year to get rid of belly fat once and for all. Bodyweight exercises that target fat burning in this area are the best strategy. Manage stress. Prolonged stress can harm your overall health beyond repair. Developing the habit of daily distressing is the best resolution you can make for your health. Get fit and stay fit. This year, make the extra effort by holding yourself accountable with a fitness app. A fitness app will guide you towards a healthier diet, exercise and lifestyle routine, and more importantly, keep you motivated and on track. Good physical health leads to better mental, emotional and psychological health. Getting firm and staying fit will keep you motivated, cheerful, more optimistic about the future and ensure that you live a longer, happier life. Career resolutions. Almost every career-oriented person makes resolutions related to their job. That's great, but how exactly will you do that? Getting specific is the answer. Stand out. Make the resolution to seize every possible opportunity to stand out in your job. Making the commitment to shine and get the attention of your superiors is the most powerful way to advance in your career. Develop better communication skills. As you consistently develop your communication skills throughout the coming year, and you will notice a dramatic improvement in your effectiveness and productivity. Stretch yourself. Make the resolution to learn a new skill. Look for opportunities to step out of your comfort zone and challenge yourself every day. Focus on fixing one flaw. Define one flaw that could be hindering your career advancement and make the resolution to fix it. Quit your job. It's a difficult decision to make sometimes, but it could be a resolution that changes your whole life for the better to grow and achieve your potential. Having big goals for what we want to achieve career-wise is vital if we are to stay motivated and driven. However, your goals should be something apart from your resolutions. Personal relationship resolutions. Strong, healthy relationships give our lives purpose and meaning. The new year is an ideal time to reflect on your relationships and how they affect your life. Express your love and appreciation. Express your love and gratefulness to your family and friends often. Go out of your way, do little things that further reflect these feelings. Listen more than you speak. This quality will do wonders for all of your relationships. Do more things with your family. Firmly scheduling family time will enhance its importance and ensure the commitment of all family members. Apply the golden rule. Make the resolution to always treat others the way you want to be treated and watch your relationships blossom. Healthy relationships are a catalyst for personal fulfillment and growth in other areas of our lives. Investing in your relationships should be on your list of resolutions for the upcoming year. Miscellaneous resolutions. Here are 10 additional resolutions that you may want to consider for making the next year an outstanding one. Read at least one book a month. Create a bedtime routine. Sleep hygiene is the scientific term. This would involve regular bedtime hours, not eating right before bed, a warm bath with essential oils, meditation, etc. Start a gratitude journal. Start a journal and record 5 things you feel grateful for every day. Daily gratitude brings inner peace, acceptance, hope, and joy, all of which we could use more of in our lives. Stop gossiping. Nobody likes a gossiper, except perhaps a like-minded gossiper. Make the resolution not to gossip about anyone, even with your closest friends. Do a digital detox 1 day a week. You can actually avoid digital addiction by periodically separating yourself from all kinds of technology consumption. Go on a juice fast 1 day every 2 weeks. This is a great way to detox the body and flush out a load of harmful junk. Develop your spirituality. Work on fostering your spiritual health by practicing yoga, meditation, or simply practicing your faith on a deeper level. Forgive someone. Bitterness is a toxic emotion that can force you into a negative loop of anger and resentment that keeps eating at you. Learn a new hobby. Did you ever wanted to learn how to play the piano but never got around to it? Try to learn a new hobby and excel in it by the end of the year. Tips for keeping your resolutions. The secret to keeping up a New Year's resolution is to make it specific. If you want to change, what is the most important thing about yourself that you want to change? Here are a few additional tips to help you stick to your resolutions. Don't overwhelm yourself. Never make a list of 10 or 15 resolutions and expect that you're going to see them through. Instead, 3 to 5 resolutions are the best way to go. Measure your progress. This is a helpful method that can help you on your journey. Understand the why. Keep the why clear in your mind as you are working on your resolution to keep yourself motivated. Set weekly alerts. Remind yourself of your resolutions on a weekly basis through alerts and reminders. Enlist the help of family and friends. Make your resolutions known to your inner circle and ask them to help monitor your progress and check in with you regularly. Keep trying. In the beginning, sticking to your resolution is going to require a lot of effort and patience. Experts say that it takes about 21 days for a new behavior or activity to start becoming a habit. It will take another 6 months for your brain to create new neural pathways that make it a permanent part of your personality. And always let your mantra be, I can do it. To conclude, reflect on the resolutions suggested here and choose the ones you think can impact your life the most. Prepare for an amazing journey. You are about to make the coming year a year of amazing, life-changing transformation. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for staying till the end of this video.